I'm gonna try to get a before and after. I know it's hard to capture exhaust videos, really be able to tell the difference over cameras, but I'm gonna do my best. I have the bike in the same spot. I'm gonna set up the camera 15 feet away, and I'm gonna leave this in the same spot for the after, so nothing's gonna change as far as the bike location or camera location. So I'll go ahead and start it up. Again, these are the stock pipes, completely stock. It's got sound. Alright, so that's stock exhaust. I'll put on the Rush slip-ons, then we'll try this again. Okay, so these right here are the slash cuts with the 2-inch baffles. We got our Rush slip-ons installed, so we're gonna go ahead and fire it up and get that after video to compare it to the before with the factory exhaust. I got the camera set up in the same spot, 15 feet away, and let's hear how it sounds. So I'm not sure how well that's going to come out in the video, but it sounds really good. It's much deeper. It's got a really deep rumble, but when you crack it open, it's got a real good bark as well. It's not nearly as loud as the Tab Zombies, but it's got a really good sound, and it's much louder than the factory exhaust. It sounds like a Harley now, so I'm very happy with it.